Hello, dear one. I am excited and delighted that you are here. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Leslie Bridger. I'm an author, speaker, certified health and wellness coach, meditation guide, and nature photographer. In this video, I'm going to be talking about step 3 and giving you some reflection questions, part 1 of the reflection questions, for you to ponder to bring this energy into your life more. Stay tuned. All right. I'm going to be reading from page 211 of my book. So here, what we're going to do is, what you're going to do is find or remember places that uplift you. Finding or remembering a special spot outdoors or uplifting activities involving the elements is the place to start, like walking outdoors, canoeing, swimming, all of those things. Look at the environments where you spend the most time. Are there any elements of the natural world visibly present? If not, what can you bring in? Do you currently have a place in nature or an activity that occurs in nature that always makes you feel better about yourself and your life? It doesn't matter whether you can get there in person or not. Just imagining it and the feelings it produces also works. If you don't have such a place currently, did you at one time? And if you did, if you could conjure up those feelings the way they made you feel so good about yourself and life, then bring those back. If you don't remember a place or you never had a place like that, find a photo online or in a magazine or create an image in your mind, one that immediately makes you feel safe, calm, held, loved, and supported. There are also many calming nature videos on YouTube which you can play continuously on your computer or TV screen. So I ask that you just become aware. What are the places in nature or, that you watch on videos or pictures that you've seen that make you feel better about yourself and life, that uplift you? I mean, for me, it's kind of hard to see, but I created this. This is one of my nature photographs. Sorry about the lighting at this particular moment. I'm standing in front of the light. But this is a photograph I took of a leaf that I had soaked in oil so that you could see the veins of it. I've always been in awe of the natural world, and I understood the importance of bringing it into healing environments. The idea was that these would be available in healthcare settings. And so there are many places around the world that have some of these in hospice settings. I only have a limited number available, but I just want you to be aware, like there are many things that you can do. As I've already shared, I mean, I have things like this here because I always feel better in the presence, like a piece of bark that I found, rocks that I pick up, shells that I find on the beach. They're all infused with energy that brings me joy. So pay attention to those things and bring them into your life. The natural world, Mother Earth and the natural world are always there to uplift you. Always. Always. It's just being open to receiving her loving presence. All right, dear one, if this video resonated with you, I really would appreciate it if you liked it and or left a comment for me. Right now, I'm able to answer every single comment or acknowledge them. So I really would love to hear from you. I appreciate you. I value you. Your presence here on Earth is very important at this time. You do matter. You are not alone. I love you, dear one, and I'm sending you much love and big, big hugs your way. Bye for now. Remember, you are a powerful creator.